Good morning, we are the student of class 7th Sky. We are going to perform the activity of temple bell.
Can you make a temple bell sound with the help of a spoon?
No, it is not possible.
It is possible for us. We will do it. So we are doing this activity to determine that sound in solid is more than sound in air. So firstly we will see how the sound comes in solid. And now we will see how the sound comes in air. First wrap it around your fingers. Not that much, little. This one first. Now put your fingers in your ears. Hit it on the table. Do you hear a sound?
Yes. Wow, how it is possible?
This is possible because sound travels fastest in the solid other than in the air. Please try it at home. You will get a surprise in the result. Thank you.
Thank you.